So hey guys, finally the iOS 26.4 release candidate version has been released by Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install it. So guys, obviously by default you must have already noticed that you are not getting this update inside this software update menu. So you need to head over to this beta.apple.com website. I'll leave the links in the description for this one. And guys, from here you need to sign into this website. If you are doing it for the first time, obviously guys, you need to sign up. So we'll just click on get started. And from here we'll click on agree. So by default Apple doesn't give these kinds of update to regular normal users. So you need to go to this beta.apple website and you need to sign up to this beta program. So guys, now if you go into your software updates, you'll see beta updates option. So guys, it may or may not be a stable version because it's obviously a release candidate one, but still guys, I don't like upgrading my primary device to the latest iOS in one go because there are a lot of crashes as well. That is why I'm going to try it on my iPhone SE. So guys, so I'm on the same Apple ID that I used in the beta program. So currently also I'm not getting the option for beta update, so I'll just restart my device, and after restarting it should work just fine. So guys, as you can see, now I'm getting the option for beta update. So I'll just click on iOS 26 developer beta, and guys, now if I go back, and as you can see, I'm getting an option for iOS 26.4, and there are a lot of fixes. So first we'll install this update and later we'll check what are the exact improvements. So obviously guys, you just need to click on update now, and this profile will download on your mobile phone and you can install it.
A few moments later.
And so alright guys, just like that, I'm on the latest iOS 26.4, and I'll just click on continue, and hopefully the setup is done. Yes, my Touch ID is not working because it's faulty. I took my phone inside the swimming pool, and since then my Touch ID and my camera is also not working for this iPhone SE. But anyway guys, I certainly hope that you now know how to install the iOS 26.4 RC version on your mobile phone. So basically guys, if you have any doubt, just let me know comments down below, and if you guys have made it till here, just drop a like. So basically guys, I think that stuff was pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace, and I'm out.